Hi everyone, welcome back to Data Engineering with Avaneeth. In our last video, we explored how to sort data in BigQuery to make it easier to read and analyze. Today, we are going one step further and diving into the world of aggregations and grouping, which are essential when you want to summarize your data and extract meaningful insights. Before we jump into examples, let's quickly understand what we mean by aggregation and grouping. Aggregation functions are functions like sum, avg, count, min, and max that allow us to perform calculations on multiple rows of data and return a single summarized value. The group by clause is used to group rows that have the same values in specified columns, so we can apply these aggregation functions to each group rather than the entire table. When working with large datasets, you often want to see summarized results instead of individual rows. For example, imagine we have a sales table named orders that we created in BigQuery in our previous video, containing columns like order ID, customer ID, order date, and total amount. Now, let's say we want to calculate the total sales amount across all orders. We can use the sum function like this. Select sum, total amount, as total sales. From project_id, sales data, orders. This will give us a single value representing the total of all orders. But what if we want to summarize the sales by day or by customer? This is where the group by clause comes into play. For example, to calculate the total sales per customer, we write, select customer ID, sum, total amount, as total sales. From project_id, sales data, orders. Group by customer ID, order by total sales DESC. This query groups all orders by each customer and calculates the total sales for each one. Notice that we also added order by to sort customers from highest to lowest sales, combining what we learned in the previous video. We can also calculate other metrics. For example, the average order amount per customer. Select customer ID, AVG, total amount, as AVG order amount. From project_id, sales data, orders. Group by customer ID, order by AVG order amount DESC. By combining aggregation functions with group by, you can quickly summarize and analyze your data in multiple ways. Whether it's total sales or average order amount, these queries help you gain valuable insights from raw data. That's it for today's video on group by and aggregation functions in BigQuery. I hope these examples with the orders dataset make it clear how to summarize your data and perform meaningful calculations. In the next video, we will explore joins in BigQuery, which will allow you to combine data from multiple tables and take your analysis to the next level. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Data Engineering with Avaneeth. Hit the bell icon so you won't miss the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.